How long should a 14-month-old nap? If you're wondering how long your 14-month-old should be napping, you're not alone. This age can be a bit tricky when it comes to sleep, but let's break it down. At 14 months, your child is likely in a transition phase where they might be taking either 1 or 2 naps a day. Here's what you need to know. 2 naps a day. If your child is still on a 2-nap schedule, each nap can vary in length. Typically, these naps can range from 1 to 2 hours each. For some children, having 2 naps of 1.5 hours each works perfectly, while for others, a 2-hour nap followed by a shorter 30 to 45-minute nap might be more suitable. It's important to ensure that at least one of these naps is an hour or longer to get that good restorative sleep. Also, try to avoid letting any single nap go longer than 2 hours, as this can affect nighttime sleep. 1 nap a day. If your child has transitioned to a single nap, this nap usually needs to be longer. Ideally, it should be around 2 to 3 hours long. If your child is still napping for more than 3 hours, it might be a good idea to wake them up after 3 hours to ensure they have enough awake time before bedtime. Wake windows. Understanding wake windows is also crucial. For children taking 2 naps, wake windows are typically between 3 to 4 hours. For those taking 1 nap, wake windows are usually between 4 to 6 hours. This means your child will be awake for these periods before they need to sleep again. Signs of readiness. Keep an eye out for signs that your child is ready to drop a nap. If they are consistently taking short naps, resisting naps, or sleeping less than 10 hours at night, it might be time to transition to 1 nap. Bedtime considerations. Remember, bedtime timing is also linked to nap lengths. Aim for a bedtime between 7 to 8 p.m. to ensure your child gets the best night's sleep. If your child is overtired or undertired, it can affect their ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. In summary, your 14-month-old's nap lengths can vary, but generally they need 2 to 3 hours of daytime sleep. Whether they take 1 or 2 naps, ensuring the right balance of sleep and awake time is key to maintaining healthy sleep habits.